Welcome to our channel, where today we're diving into the tropical paradise of our Fragrant Room Spray in Hawaiian Luau. This delightful air freshener comes in a convenient pack of 3, with each bottle holding 3.4 fluid ounces, giving you a total of 10.2 fluid ounces of pure island bliss. Infused with a tropical-inspired fragrance, it brings a refreshing island breeze to any room, effectively eliminating odors while revitalizing your space with a long-lasting, pleasant scent. It's incredibly easy to use. Just spray generously into the air, or onto pillows and linens, for an instant burst of freshness. Perfect for freshening up multiple areas, this versatile odor eliminator works wonders in the bedroom, living room, bathroom, kitchen, hallway, and even your office. Transform your environment into a serene escape with the Hawaiian Luau Room Spray and enjoy the essence of a tropical getaway right in your home. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more amazing product reviews and tips. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.